Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through the different types of calendars available in your Pulse Growth account, explain what each one is used for, and show you the key differences between them. Let's get started. First, click on the Calendars tab and then open Calendar Settings. From here, click New Calendar and you'll see the different calendar types available. The first option is the Personal Booking Calendar. This calendar is designed for one-on-one appointments with a specific team member. It's ideal for consultations, client meetings, coaching sessions, and discovery calls. The second option is the Round-Robin Calendar. Instead of assigning appointments to one person, this calendar automatically books meetings with whichever team member is available. This is commonly used for sales calls, onboarding sessions, and customer support. Next is the class booking calendar. This calendar allows one host to meet with multiple participants at the same time. It's perfect for webinars, workshops, training sessions, and group classes. If you click Explore More Types, you'll find two additional calendar options. The first is the event calendar, which is designed for physical events such as seminars, conferences, workshops, and expos. Before creating one, you'll see a pop-up explaining its limitations. Since no team members can be assigned to this calendar, dynamic meeting integrations like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams aren't supported. If you need an online meeting, you'll need to add a static meeting link manually. Be sure to review the pop-up before using this calendar type. The last option is the service booking calendar. This calendar lets you create multiple services under a single calendar, making it ideal for salons, spas, barber shops, repair services. The setup process is very similar across all calendar types, so once you've created one calendar, you'll find it easy to configure the others. You'll start by entering a name for your calendar and then configuring the basic booking settings, such as availability, meeting duration, booking forms, and confirmation options. For a personal booking calendar, you'll simply select one team member, since this calendar only supports a single host. For a round-robin calendar, the setup is almost identical, but you'll be able to select multiple team members. The system will then automatically assign each booking to the next available person based on their availability, helping distribute appointments evenly across your team. For a class booking calendar, you'll select one host and set the maximum number of participants by specifying how many seats are available for each session. Once the limit is reached, no additional bookings can be made for that class. With a collective booking calendar, you can also select multiple team members. However, unlike round robin, every selected host will attend the same meeting together, making it ideal for interviews, panel discussions, or collaborative meetings. For an event calendar, you won't be able to assign team members because the calendar is designed for events rather than individual hosts. Most calendar types also allow you to enable payments, so participants can complete payment during the booking process before their appointment is confirmed. This is especially useful for paid consultations, classes, workshops, and other paid services. Under Advanced Settings, you'll find additional customization options such as uploading a calendar image, organizing calendars into groups, and configuring meeting locations. You can choose a physical address or add a static conferencing link for virtual meetings. And that's it. You now know the different calendar types available in Pulse Growth and when to use each one. Choosing the right calendar will help you create a smoother booking experience for both your team and your customers. For additional help or more detailed guides, please visit our support portal or contact us anytime at connect@pulsegrowth.io.